Hi friends, Sam here with Happily Hooked. So we are back with another yarn review, and today we have the Yarnspiration Bernat Bundled Up. So right off the bat, as soon as I picked this up, this feels like the Feels Like Butter yarn from Lion Brand, and you guys know how much I love Lion Brand. So I'm really excited to test this one out because some of these colors are stunning. I have a couple colors I'm going to show you guys. We're just going to swatch the purple one. But I grabbed a couple different ones because I wanted to show you how pretty they were. Lion Brand's colors are really fun. These ones are a little bit darker. I did buy a white because, of course I did, but they're a little bit more like deep in the colors. So I'm really excited. So I'm gonna grab my hook and we'll get swatching. Hi friends, don't forget, when you click the link below and subscribe today to join Happily Hooked magazine, not only are you getting access to the coolest crochet community on the internet, you're also getting this amazing project bag that I use every single day and these ergonomic hooks. So click the link below, subscribe today, and I cannot wait to see you in the community. Alright, so like I said, today we are going to be reviewing the Yarnspiration Bernat Bundle Up. So I've got it right now in the color Green Mist and Violet Gray. So I'm already obsessed with these. So I reviewed the Lion Brand Feels Like Butter yarn. And this is so soft. It reminds me of that a lot. I think they might be very similar. But look at how pretty that, it's like a dusty violet gray color. I love it. And then this Green Mist, I would have called it mint, but it's okay. It's a mint color. But this is 100% polyester. There are 267 yards, 140 grams, medium weight. It recommends a 5.5. We're just going to crochet with a 5 because that's what I've got. Care instructions are on the other side, so I will open this up. But yeah, so let's check and see what it says. Machine wash and dry. Wash in water not exceeding 86 degrees at a delicate setting. Do not bleach, tumble dry at low heat at delicate setting. Do not iron or press. Do not dry clean. I'd probably just wash this in like cold water and then tumble dry low. That's probably what I would do. So yeah, so we are going to swatch this up. Well, it already came with a knot pretty close to the beginning, so that's not my favorite, but we do what we can with what we've got. Oh, I guess I'm not making a magic ring, am I? Alright, so I'm not gonna lie, I just kept crocheting because I love this yarn. This works up beautifully. Like, the stitches are gorgeous. The yarn is smooth, even with this little join. Like, I would have cut that normally in my own project and just join the yarn regularly. But this is so soft. It doesn't split because their yarn, I don't know if you can see it, it's kind of almost braided together. Yeah, you can, it's kind of like braided together. I don't know what this actually is, but it's really tight. So like it doesn't split or anything like that. Let's see how it frogs. Yeah, it frogs magically. Yeah, I give this a 10 out of 10. It's super soft. It's super affordable. I love this. It's so much yarn. I guess, how much was that again? 267 yards. That's a lot for a little skein of yarn, especially at a medium weight. Yeah, and I just looked up, so the Lion brand Feels Like Butter yarn is 218 yards. It is also 100% polyester as well. So 118 or 218 yards for the Feels Like Butter. The price for that at Joann's is $5.99. So let's check. And the Bernat bundle up is also $5.99 at Joann. At least at my local Joann. So they're the same price for my local place. 267 yards, so it's a little bit bigger, almost 50 yards bigger, and same price. So the colors are very similar. They have a lot of like muted colors. We did this blanket in the Feels Like Butter. So this is more of a mint. This is more of an icy blue. This is their lavender and the gray. So these are more like neutrals, and these are more like pastels with the black and the pink in it. If you're wondering what this is the blanket that we made last year on my Facebook Lives. It's just a bunch of granny squares because I was stash busting all of the Feels Like Butter I had on hand. And we just turned it into a big blanket, but you normally see that on the ground behind me. But yeah, so I love this. I'm probably going to design things with this because it's soft and you can frog it if you mess up. I love it. So yeah, I recommend it. If you have any questions or you've used this yarn before, and you have anything you want to bring into it, let me know in the comments below. If you have any other questions about it, let me know, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!